Okay, let's see one more company today. Uh, it is IRCTC. Okay, I'll go through the fundamentals and technicals, and based on that, I'll invest some money on it. Okay, I've already invested in it, so maybe I've seen some fall today. So maybe it's a good time to average. But before averaging, I just want to make sure fundamentally and technically it's all good, right? Stock P is quite high, okay, but ROCE and ROE are exceptional. Remaining things are all good, so I'm not going in details. Like you cannot find any abnormality here, so it's all good except the P. But for P also, you can see that it is below its median P, and you can see from historical data that IRCTC's P stays quite high, like 50 is normal for it. So this issue is being sorted out as well. So right now there is no issue so far. So let's see its financial. We'll see the quarter yearly one because we are looking forward to a long term horizon. So if you see the sales, it's all time high. If you see the operating profit, all time high. If we see the net profit, it's all time high. EPS all time high. Sales growth is good. Profit growth is good. Stock price CAGR is negative, so that's a good opportunity for us to buy because stock is fundamentally good, but it's beaten down, so it's good. I'm looking for a update. CWIP is there. Obviously, railway is working on the infrastructure. Then, if you see the operating cash flow from operating activity is positive, and net cash flow is also positive, and it's also like um, in an increasing trend. So good, everything seems good. And promoter holding is fixed. FIDI is almost fixed. A little increase in public holding, but that is not that of a big concern. If you see the public, it's totally retail holder. Okay, so that's not an issue. So from fundamental point of view, I'm very much bullish on IRCTC, and it's in its let's see it's whether it is a value buy or not. Okay. Now the thing is that it has fallen from monthly. In monthly, you can see it has fallen quite drastically, and it is near its support. And from RSI point of view, also it is in monthly chart is in its all-time low. So that is good from value buying perspective for a long term horizon. If you go to weekly, then we see that there is a crossover about to happen, so that is somewhat concerned. But from value buying zone, we'll ignore that. Actually, we'll use these for momentum buying. But yeah, like we can use them for support and support for valuing. So if you see this support in 200 in weekly, so it's nearby, so there's a chance it can reverse back. And if we see daily, crossover has already happened. And if we go for trading, then it's like swing trade, it's a bearish sentiment. But I'm actually looking for value buying and long term, so I'll buy. Okay, so my plan will be like, I'll buy here. No, if it falls below this, I'll keep on adding to certain levels. And like, yeah. And I'll keep on looking for its fundamentals. And if I see any, like, there's no improvement in fundamental, obviously the fundamentals are brilliant right now. If I see the fundamentals are deteriorated, then I'll try to exit. But if the fundamentals keeps on improving, and the stocks obviously has to you know mm, go up, but if it doesn't happen, then I'll keep on adding because it's a fundamental good stock based on any fall. And after that some time, if it stays in a consolidated zone, then what I'll do is I'll turn this stock into my SIP stock, and I'll, like 1/12 of total investment. I'll start an SIP with 1/12 of total investment. That is monthly SIP. Got my point? So right now I'm buying some. Okay.